हेलो हाय अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ खैरियत से होंगे और मज़े में होंगे। चलते हैं आज के व्लॉग की तरफ। और आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही मज़ेदार सा है और मैंने सोचा थोड़ा सा थाईलैंड की, बैंकॉक की आपको सैर करा देते हैं। और आजकल क्रिसमस का समय है, हर जगह जो है डेकोरेशन हुई हुई, उस हिसाब से अच्छा लगता है। आप भी चलें और देखें हमारे साथ आज का पूरा व्लॉग, एंजॉय करें, बहुत मज़ा आएगा।
Hello, we are at the mall. You're too close to the camera. Here is Anaya. Look at how adorable she looks. Anaya, say hi. Hi. Okay, we're gonna go and meet you inside. We're in the parking right now. We are taking pictures of Anaya. Look at how pretty all of this is. Their Christmas decorations.
बच्चों के कपड़े देखने थे मुझे, तो मैंने इस शॉप को मैंने कहा जाके पहले देखती हुई कि यहाँ मैं लास्ट टाइम आई थी तो बच्चों के लेके गई थी, बड़े अच्छे थे। इस दफ़ा भी मैं आई थी, अभी अहमद पसंद कर रहे थे, साथ ही हम आए थे लेडीज़ के सेक्शन में तैयबा के लिए, अपने लिए देखने के लिए।
Ahmad is looking for some pants for himself, like over there. There he is. You can see him. Up here, we are here. I literally tried to film this like. Oh my God! It's Anaya. Hello.
Mama,
Say hi.
Mama,
Find Mama. Find Mama. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go straight now. Go straight. Yeah, go straight. Do you see Mama? Do you see Mama? Do you see Mama? Do you see Mama? Okay, go forward. Go forward. Come here. Come here. Come here. 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 Where's Mama? Can you hear Mama? Find Mama.
नहीं, फाइन मम्मा।
Yeah. And I have. Aww. You're so cute.
Mama,
You miss Mama.
Mama, Mama, Mama,
Nice.
Mama, Mama,
Mama, Mama.
देखो
Mama,
Yeah, that's nice.
ये थोड़ा सा वियर्ड लग रहा है।
Mama,
So don't buy it.
हम्म,
Where are you going? You want some clothes? Oh, you want to go to Baba? Okay, हम जा रहे हैं बाबा के पास. Let's go see Dad. Do you know where to go out from? Yeah. Okay. She found out the way to go outside by herself. So I think Mama is going to get this shirt over here. It's really pretty. She's looking at more things over there. Mama found a few clothes. Oh yeah, I'm not going to show all of them. We will show them in a video later or something. So yeah, we did get a few things. Ahmed is still looking for his stuff. He is somewhere here. And yeah, I didn't get anything. I didn't really like anything, so मैंने नहीं लिया. But Mama did. Ooh, that's cute. Look, look. Show me. Show the camera. Yeah, look at how cute that is. Hello. We finished buying the stuff we needed. What are you doing? Oh, there's no ice cream. They're clothes. She wants ice cream. Baba, I me.
मामा आए हैं, फिर मामा के पास बैठ के खाना। ओके? मामा आए ना मम्मी। साथ ही आज मैं देख रही थी कि अनाया में बहुत चेंज आ गया था। जब ये छोटी सी थी, जैसे बेबी न्यू बॉर्न होता है, उसके बाद थोड़ी देर अरसा ऐसा चलता रहता है कि जैसे वो छोटा सा होता है तो हम बाहर निकलते हैं तो बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम को फेस करना पड़ता है आपको, क्योंकि मॉम्स जो होती हैं ना, उनको तो हर वक्त एक्टिव रहना पड़ता है। और सम टाइम ऐसा होता था कि इसको फ़ौरन चेंज कराने भागना पड़ता था, कभी फीड करवाने के लिए जाना पड़ता था। अब तो बहुत आसानियाँ हो गई हैं कि हर जगह, हर मॉल में जो है आपको नर्सरी और चेंजिंग रूम वगैरह मिल जाता है। पहले ये सब नहीं होता था। जब ज़्यादा परेशानी होती थी। अब की मॉम्स के लिए बड़ा अच्छा सा एक वो है कि अगर आप मॉम बन भी गई हैं ना तो आप परेशान ना हो। किसी मॉल में जाती हैं तो वहाँ सबसे पहले आप लोग को इतना पता होना चाहिए कि वहाँ नर्सरी है, ये सब है। तो आप लोग कोशिश किया करें कि बच्चे अगर तंग करते हैं तो आप वहाँ ले जाके उन्हें चेंज करवा दें, फीड करवा लें, बड़ा ईजी हो जाता है। मगर आज का ब्लॉग आप लोग को देख के अच्छा लगेगा, अनाया जैसी थोड़ी बड़ी हुई हैं उनमें कितना चेंज आया और बहुत मज़े से ही आज का जो है पूरा दिन इन्होंने इन्जॉय किया है। और आप भी देखिए, मैं भी देखती हूँ।
Okay, so we're going to be buying this.
It's not gold plated or even made out of gold.
Yeah, the main problem is not made out of gold, so we can't buy it. That's pretty.
Oh, it gets really close. It's 4,160.
Yeah, Allah guessed it was 5,000 baht. He was very close. So we are buying furniture for our house, right, Mama? Oh yeah, Mama is talking about that bean bag over there. Likes bean bags.
तो मैं भी अच्छा, ये अच्छा लग रहा है। उसकी बैक पे जो है ना वो सुपर स्टाइल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और
That one? Oh, I don't like it.
This looks like a croissant.
We actually did not need any single furniture. We just went up the escalator and it came into the shop and we just left. Hello. Hello. He came in front of the camera on purpose. Hello. Oh, you're so cute.
जी यहाँ हम आ गए रॉबिन्सन की तरफ। उससे पहले हम आपको अब डॉल्स दिखाएंगे। बहुत ही प्यारी सी डॉल्स है और इस दफ़ा ये इनको देखिए अच्छी लगती हैं और क्यूट क्यूट सी डॉल्स होती हैं ये, देखें।
Look at how pretty these dolls are. We really want to get one for Anaya.
बहुत प्यारी, बहुत क्यूट सी डॉल है ये और मतलब इनकी सारी ना चीज़ें बड़े आराम से मिल जाती हैं, क्यूट क्यूट सी। तो अच्छी लग रही थी, मैं तो आप लोगों को भी दिखाती हूँ।
I'm getting some bubble tea. Anaya, what did we get? Mom, we got some boba. Hello, Anaya. You like your drink? Yummy? Yeah. Can you say I love you? Say I love you. Aww. I really like your hair clips. They're very cute. Are you cute? Yeah. Where's Mama? Inside the shop? Can I squish your face? Squish. Squish. Squish, squish. Oh, you don't eat that. No. It's not good. It's not good. Good job. You drink this. No, no, no. Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your tongue? Teeth. Where's your fingers? Good job. Where are your ears? Where's your neck? Where's your shoulders? Good job. I'm so proud of you. You're such a good baby. 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 So we are at another clothing store now because Ahmed ko jeans chahiye thi, but he can't find any. He couldn't find one over there, and now he's trying to find one over here, and he's had no luck. Anaya and I were sitting outside and we got bored, so we came inside, and they still didn't find anything. It's been a little while. Yes. Allah. Allah is with Baba. Allah and Dad are in Tesco.
No. It's why.
Yes.
Why?
Why?
Yes.
What is why?
Why? Why?
What does that mean?
Why?
I don't understand. some things you can understand what a baby says, and sometimes nothing at all. Mimi. Ahmed is trying to find some jeans, Anaya. Can you find some pants? Anaya, where are blue pants?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Yeah. Where is green shirt? Green shirt.
Yeah.
No, that's not a shirt. Those are blue jeans. I'm saying
Yeah.
green shirt. I was confused as to what Anaya was pointing out as green. She was moving the pants and saying that this is green. Good job. Good job. Clap for yourself. Yeah. Do you want to wear socks? I've been trying to put socks on her, but she's not willing to. Let me put socks on you. Let me put socks. She took off her shoes and socks. Let me put socks on you. Can I put socks on you? She hit her feet. You think I can't find your feet? What did you say? Can I put your socks on? No? You love me? Do you love me?
Yes.
Yes, so can I put socks on you? But you said you love me. Me? Oh, pink. Can I put socks on you? No? Do you want to wear socks? Are you a good baby?
Yes.
You're a good baby, but you don't want to wear socks. Hmm?
Mimi.
Mimi. You love me? Do you love Mama? You love Ahmed?
Yes.
You love Baba? You love Allah? You love me? You love Anaya? Yes. Who's Anaya?
Yeah.
Who's Anaya?
Yeah.
You? Who's Anaya? Where is Anaya?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is Anaya nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say meow? Cat says meow. Cat says meow. Say meow. Good job. Say pow pow. Say moo. Good job. Say owa. By the way, if anyone is looking for like really nice boba, this place is really nice. We tried it for the first time today, and the nice thing about this is it's not very sweet like other places we've had boba. So this is yummy. I like this one a lot. Yes? What do you want? Oreo. I me. She wants Oreos and I me. We'll get you ice cream. Okay, अब हम रॉबिन्सन जा रहे हैं. Finally, Mom and Ahmed are here. What did you guys find?
क्यूट है ना?
Yeah, it's very cute.
मगर साइज छोटा है.
Oh,
18 month.
look at how cute. These are shirts or dresses?
शर्ट्स है आई थिंक. ये ड्रेस है और आई थिंक इसकी कॉस्ट क्या है? ये 99 का पड़ रहा है जी. अच्छा है. कॉटन मटेरियल पे है और अच्छा है इस हिसाब से बच्चों के लिए, खासतौर पे जो उनको पता है कम ही यूज़ में आते हैं बच्चों के. मिक्स मटेरियल है इसका. जो कपड़ा है ना थोड़ा सा मिक्स है, मतलब कॉटन और थोड़ा सा.
I like the shirt we saw over there.
वो शर्ट अच्छी
Yeah,
है.
the
हाँ.
pink one.
मुझे ये पसंद आया था. देखिए
मम्मा को ये वाला
साइज
अच्छा
बहुत
लगा.
बड़ा है.
Size big है.
4 years इसमें है ही नहीं है उसके पास, और मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा.
A ball pit for kids. It's technically supposed to be snow. And look at that. That is the creepiest thing I've ever seen. Is that not creepy? It's scary. It's a baby
वो देखना
wearing a cat costume.
स्नो का वो दिया हुआ ये ट्री बनाया है इसे राइट किया हुआ है
Guys, it's snowing in Thailand.
और यूं करके देखकर आते दिखा भी देते
Yeah, let's go. We'll show you guys as well. Look, and then there's a sleigh here. It's like this. Oh, there's another ball pit here. Oh, this is not a ball pit. That's actually snow. Look, guys, fake snow. Guys, there's dogs in the snow. Look. Oh my God! Look at that one. That looks like a bear. Yeah, that's what I said. Oh, is that a husky? Look, that one's wearing a gold chain. The rest of them are asleep. Guys, look at how cool this is. And there's more fake snow here. Wow. And I look at this. And I look at this.
पेंगुइन दिखाए थे सब नींद आ गई है सब
Oh, she wants to sleep now. Where are you going? Here. Hey. Anaya. Where does she want to go? Oh, she's going to dad. Anaya. What do you guys want? Yeah, she like that. Hey, she's so slow. Very happy baby though. I'm going to go up. Where is she going? Is she trying to go from the accelerator?
You can say, let's do this, I'm scared. We can hold on. I mean, you do it. This one? Okay, I'll be at the bottom, yeah.
Okay, they want to go there and slide Anaya from here.
Come on, do it.
Make sure you slide with Anaya, okay? You slide with Anaya. 3, 2, 1. She's not even moving, it's so funny.
Lay down. Wait, let me try them. This one access slide.
Go! Why is she at the corner? Aww.
It's not really slippery. Huh? Again?
Yeah, it's not slippery at
You do
all.
it though.
She wants to do everything herself. And that's what happened.
अनाया चले वापस नो ओके प्ले कर दो
Oh, she got sad. So I think Anaya had a lot of fun and we are done taking photos, making a video and we're leaving now. She's a bit sad because she wanted to continue sliding. AB? She wants to slide. We're in Top/Robinson right now. Anaya got a little upset about the fact that she couldn't go on the slide anymore, but that's okay. So she didn't even bother taking more photos. Anything else you want to add?
मैं अनाया के लिए नूडल्स देख रही हूँ जो लास्ट टाइम मैंने ली थी ना तो वो यहाँ टॉप्स में ही मिलती हैं तो मैंने कहा हो सकता है इस वाले टॉप्स में मुझे मिल जाए और समटाइम ऐसा होता है कि वो चीज़ एक बार मिल जाती है तो दोबारा मिलना मुश्किल होती है
ये सो हमें अभी नहीं मिल रही.
अभी हमें नहीं मिल रही तो थोड़ा सा इसलिए पीछे सारी लाइन नूडल्स की है और मैं इसीलिए थोड़ा सा जो है ना अपसेट हो गई हूँ.
No, that's not for baby.
क्या बाकी
Yeah, this is 53, but it's not ramen.
स्पाइसी है
I mean, it's not the one we get. It's similar. Try कर सकते हैं.
लेनी है हॉट एंड
हाँ.
स्पाइसी एक लेनी है
Sure.
या दो लेनी है बाबा का
We found the noodles, and I think we're going to go home after this. We are getting a few things. I'm tired.
काफ़ी थक गए हम लोग और सुबह से आए हैं तो काफ़ी सारा काम किया
We've been to 2 malls. I really don't have anything to say. मैं बस फिल्म कर रही हूँ.
बस ये सोचा था कि आज थोड़ा सा आउटिंग हो जाएगी हमारी बाहर जाएंगे थोड़ा मूड भी चेंज हो जाएगा काफ़ी दिन से इस तरह फुल टाइम आउटिंग नहीं की थी हम लोगों ने तो शॉपिंग भी हुई घुमा भी फन भी किया बच्चों ने काफ़ी अच्छा था और इन्जॉय भी किया बस अब ये था थोड़ा खाए पिएंगे और फिर वापसी हो जाएगी
Hello, sir. How tired are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
We've been here since the morning, and it's almost 7 o'clock.
If I recall, I went with Mama like about 2 times. I think my legs would be broken by then.
He said if he went and hung out with Mama and me, his legs would be broken.
I was already tired.
Here's Baba.
I got very sleep and then yeah.
He didn't get sleep, and Mama, you know, he stubbed his toe, so his toe is swollen
Yeah.
from yesterday.
And now it's gone. I stepped on it like 3 times, 4 times I think. Actually, I think one more time like 4. I don't know what's it called. Emma, I think also stepped on it too, and then you might have done it once. And yeah, oh yeah, and a nice scallop into my foot. So that's around 7 times today. Great.
Little cutie, what are you eating? I mean, what are you eating?
Boba.
You eating boba? Yeah, you can eat boba.
Granted.
Yeah, but you drink the drink.
You drink the drink, but you can't food the food.
Yeah, you can drink the drink, you cannot food the food. That's what he said. I just repeated okay, you can hear. Mama left me with Anaya to take care of her because she might cover herself with ice cream और मैंने I completely forgot और मैं अला से बात कर रही थी.
बच्चों पे आप छोटी सी भी जिम्मेदारी नहीं डाल सकते क्योंकि वो जो
Excuse
है
me. The camera's battery ran out and my phone's battery is also going to run out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like,
Comment.
share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.
इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें और हमें दें इजाज़त और यहाँ पर आप मिलने एंड में अनाया से अनाया कर दो बाय 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 कर दें आप
Bye.
अल्लाह हाफिज़ अच्छा जी आज का मेरा व्लॉग इतना ही था अगर आज का व्लॉग पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक करें कमेंट करें शेयर करें सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें अपना रखें बहुत सारा ख्याल इंशाल्लाह मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में मेरे व्लॉग्स देखने के लिए थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग अल्लाह हाफिज़ टेक केयर बाय